Hi everyone, good day. I'm Kaveetraveni and I'm a first year computer student in UNSS Malaysia. Today in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a simple code and create a game using the Scratch application. So why do I like coding so much? I like coding because coding is fun and it enhances my creativity to solve problems in various ways. So now, let's get to business. Okay, so this is the Scratch application and this is the screen, the display, and this is the where we're gonna put our codes in. So the display is so boring, so white. So let's perhaps put a backdrop. So the theme I had in mind is Harry Potter, something fantasy. So let's choose this. Okay, this backdrop looks cool, right? Now we need objects in our game. So let's say for an example, I want a broom and a key. I hope you guys remember that Harry uses his broomstick to catch the key. So let's use that idea instead. So here, search for another object. Yes. Okay, so the broomstick looks so big, so let's change it to 60. Very small. And this is the key. Okay, the key, I want it to be smaller too, but here 17 looks great. Okay, so now we have two objects here. I want the broom to move vertically to catch the keys just traveling horizontally in any position. So let's program for the broom first. So now, all the games that we start, we need to start using this flag here. So go to events and put the flag. And now we have to set how we want or from which direction we want the broom to begin. So I want to begin it with this way. So now let's go to motions and we set the X to. It's already set because I already placed the broom here and it is automatically set. So I want the Y to be 0 because I want it to be in the middle. So I want it to be 0 and the X is here. Like this is a square and this is all the negatives. The more the negatives, the more it goes to our left. So now we want it to forever be controlled by us, the broom. So let's go to control and take forever. And we have two options to move the broom. One is up, one is down. So let's perhaps take if and another if. We need two ifs because we have two inputs. So let's go to sensing and replace and here. So let's say we press the up arrow and for this we'll do the down arrow on our keyboard. So let's say when we press the up arrow, I want the broom to move 10 steps up. So let's change the Y. We change the Y by 10 so that it goes 10 steps up. And we change when it's pressed down, I want it to go 10 steps down, so we use a negative. Okay, so this is our code for the broom. So let's see if it's worked. See, when I press the keys, it's moving. Easy, right? So now for the key, I want the key to start from here. Okay, from here. So let's now code for the key. So when I press the key, the code is empty because we need to do it now. So first things first, we need the green flag. So go to events and drag it here. Now, I want the key to be shown when the program starts. So I put it here, I put the show here, and then we need to set the scores. Like what is a game without scores, right? So we change the name to scores. Okay, we set to 0 when the game begins. Okay, we press here and it will appear here. Now, we want the key to go in any position, any direction. So let's say We go to motion, go to any position, then we set. We want the key to start from this place, so we set the X. So since the key is already in the correct position, so it is automatically written here. Now we want it to glide across the screen, so let's choose this one, glide. So let's change it to 2 seconds. We glide to the other end, so we put negative sign here, and we change this to the Y position. Okay, so we want it to repeat when the user managed to catch the keys. So we go to control and we take repeat until. So we go to operations, we put the not, and we go sensing. It's the broom. Okay, so go to controls and take the event. Okay, sensing. The broom. Okay, so if the key touches the broom, I want to change the score by 1. Okay, and I want a sound, so let's put a sound, any sound you like. You can edit here with any sound you like, and then we go to, so after it catches, I want it to repeat and repeat until the player misses the catch. So let's set this thing over here again, so which is go to any positions because it's repeating, so we need it to repeat again. Okay, we set to 195 and we glide it. Okay, we glide to 2 seconds. Okay, we set the X to negative 195. Okay, and then Y position. So it keeps on repeating until the player misses the catch. So, and then at the end, I want the key to be hidden at the end. Now, this is how a code looks like. So let's try and see. So, see? Alright, so let's say I missed it, and it stops. Okay? Easy, right? So, I'm a CodeSyster. If I can code, so can you. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.